Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Claiborne County in southwestern Mississippi, eastern Jefferson County in southwestern Mississippi, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Blue Hill, or 29 miles west of Brookhaven, moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Red Lick around 8:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Patterson around 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Port Gibson around 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.